Always consult your use and care guide and owner's manual for additional information.
The home screen shows different cooking modes specially designed for a variety of cooking tasks. Presets on this appliance are based on weight measurement of rice, grain, beans, with the scale to calculate the liquid ratio. Programmable delayed cook allows ingredients to be cooked at a later time and can be set up to 24 hours in advance. The quick soak function soaks grains or beans in the unit for up to 2 hours. Quick soak uses a preheating cycle for the first few minutes to expedite soaking time. The soak function soaks grains or beans in the unit for 8 hours before cooking. The automatic keep warm setting turns on when cooking has been completed. Grain and rice cooker will keep dishes warm until it is time to serve. Steam. Place the steam basket in the ceramic pot. The steam basket will rest and hang on top of the ceramic pot. Select Steam Cycle on the main menu and set the desired time. The grain and rice cooker automatically dispenses water into the ceramic pot to steam below the steam basket. Make sure that the lid is properly closed while using the steam basket.